The United Nations Development Programme (UNDP) has donated COVID-19 protective equipment worth $14 million to the Economic Community of West African States (ECOWAS). The donation is the second tranche by the UNDP to ECOWAS to help the community in the fight against COVID-19. At a ceremony to hand over the kit, country representative of UNDP in Nigeria, Mohammed Yahya, said COVID-19 had adversely affected the vulnerable populations around the world and in Africa.
As the second wave of the pandemic continues, UNDP remains committed to working with the government of Nigeria, its partners, and on this occasion, our regional organization, ECOWAS, to ensure that we provide all the support is needed for the region to fight this pandemic. Today, UNDP is proud to be able to provide, through its procurement of $14 million worth of essential medical supplies, which will be given to ECOWAS to enhance the capacity of frontline responders in the entire region. These medical supplies, which include more than 549 test kits, which contain sample connections. In addition, more than 550,000 extraction kits will also be provided. I would like to acknowledge that this support would not have been possible without the leadership of ECOWAS to ensure that UNDP continues to work with them, and I want today to commit that UNDP will continue to support ECOWAS in this endeavor. It's often during crisis that leadership emerges, and we have seen the leadership of ECOWAS on multiple occasions on supporting this region deal with this pandemic.
President of ECOWAS, Jean-Claude Bro, who received the kit, expressed delight at the support by UNDP. He recalled that UNDP delivered the first batch of kit worth about $8 million to ECOWAS in 2020. Bro stressed that the most important focus in the fight against COVID-19 is to ensure that no one is left behind.
As we all know, the ECOWAS region is now experiencing a second wave of the strain from the virus. As the case continues to increase, there is an urgent need to strengthen national capacities and to provide essential medical supply. It is in view of this that I am encouraged to see that another batch of essential medical supply has now been delivered for the fight against COVID-19. The West African Health Organization, WAHO, as the ECOWAS Regional Institution for Health, in close collaboration with national government and partners, continues to coordinate the regional COVID-19 response by, among other things, providing the most needed technical, financial support to member states. As you all recall, on 11 July 2020, in the midst of the first wave of the pandemic, WAHO took delivery of a first batch of essential medical supply to fight COVID-19. As we take delivery of this second batch, I would like to remind us of the key role solidarity, commitment, and trust play in strengthening partnership and ensuring that no one is left behind. Therefore, I would like to commend the work and commitment of the UNDP leadership and staff for securing this much needed critical medical supply and equipment. A very special thanks and appreciation to UNDP for the substantial donation